Hey team, we are 2 days into this week's project and it's a doozy. It's going to take us about a week and a half to do this one. First things first, we started in the front and we removed the existing pavers. We're planning for concrete steps and a concrete pathway. This is going to be a timber stamped set of stairs and exposed faces with that 2-inch bullnosing you've guys seen before. So it's going to be pretty involved and pretty tricky to do these stairs. And yes, you've seen correctly, those were pavers glued to a wood deck. And don't get me wrong, they held up great. That deck was built very solid. But it's time to do a full reno on the house. So we're going to start with the concrete and the trades can work around that. So makes sense when winter's coming too. So we're on it. Part 2 of this project, we're in the back doing a shop pad. This is going to be for an extension of the garage basically, but it's just going to have a steel structure building on it. So it's not going to be attached to the garage at all. He just wanted something basic like a 4-inch pad, but I said, no, we better go a bit stronger. So we did 8-inch thickening around the perimeter. And that's us just putting our power trowel in place for today's pour, because much easier working smarter than harder. And there's our trowel for when we need it later. So as mentioned, we doweled into the side there and we're doing 2 extra rows of rebar in the bottom 8-inch thickening. Got our 2x8 face form there. Really good job of compaction here. We're on a bit of a side hill, so we made sure we hammered it in really good with our 1,000-pound tamper and our little electric Milwaukee tamper. So vapor barrier, rebar is 16-inch spacing. This is 3/8 bar or 10mm bar if you're in Canada. All chaired up, ready to go. There's our 2 extra bars on the bottom there, and there's no drawings to follow. I just want to make it strong. So we're 7 cubic meters for that floor. Now we're back to the front, and along with that pour, we're also going to catch the footing for the stairs. So we did a really good job of compacting the gravel, and we're going to do it's about 6.5, 7-inch average footing, and I decided to dowel in with 15M bar, so we're using heavier bar. And now the important part of this is we had to leave ourselves enough room to build the stairs and come off with the appropriate heights. So we're doing the box that I'm going to build off, and then there's 4 steps, but I left enough room for 3 to sit on the footing, and then the 4th one will drop down and be beside the footing. And we're going to have to build false walls in there so it all contacts the foundation but comes up, and then we'll build a box and probably fill it with gravel to take out the void. But this footing is key to build the forms for attachment.